This video is sponsored by PelucidFX.com. Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay guys, now let's turn to the gold again. As the gold market is your currency now showing some sort of the resurrection, some sort of the attempt to show at least some upward bounce. And yesterday on the daily time frame chart we've got this bullish grabber that we have discussed as the possibility. We said if market will form the grabber, well, that at least theoretically will give us the hope that probably market could show the action to the upside, not maybe even right to the 1325, but it will keep the chances still on the working of the possible free drive and still on some upward direction, because this pattern theoretically has the target right at this top, this one or maybe that one, so somewhere around 1309, 1310 area. That is market should reach as a result of this grabber. The invalidation point of this grabber stands right here below these lows. Meantime, yesterday we said that our invalidation point stands right here, because in this case market will break through this support, market will destroy as possibility for the butterfly sell. So that could be the left wing of the butterfly, right? That could be the right wing. And simultaneously, if market will take out of these lows, market will erase the possibility of the three drive, because it will move below the bottom of the second drive. That will mean that the game is over for three drive pattern. That's why our invalidation point stands around 1277 probably area, straight here. At the same time, if market will start to work with this grabber, this pattern could put the foundation, the start moment for appearing of the butterfly pattern that suggests precisely an reaction to the 1325. So if I'll measure the extension, you will see, right, 127 extension precisely at 1325 area, the same target, whereas target of the three drive pattern stands. Okay, that's why this situation is very interesting right now in the gold market. Today, guys, also we will get the FMC minutes that in general could trigger this action depending on what will be Federal Reserve will say in these minutes, when we will understand how discussion on the previous FMC meeting was, that really could get some to give some impulse to the market in one or other direction. Meantime, currently, as we do not have any other patterns right here, we will make a deal with this grabber pattern. On the 4-hour time frame chart, in fact, we see the same picture. That's our invalidation point, that's our bounce up. So now market stands with the retracement. But situation with this pattern is really tricky, and I will show you why. So if you take a look at the hourly time frame chart, you will see our regardless triple to buy this ABCD pattern down, and take a look that market hasn't quite reached the target of this ABCD. But here, in fact, we could draw two different ABCD pattern. The first pattern stands as I have drawn it, so you can see from that top to this bottom the AB leg and CD, right to the 1284. Okay, but if you take as starting point this top, the point where the real downward action has started, because here you can see retracement again, some move up, some move down, retracement, and only after that market has started real action to the downside. If you'll take a look, if you take this point as the starting point of the ABCD pattern, you will see that by these lows market has hit the target of the ABCD, okay, and turned to the upside. Because this is very significant, because these lows simultaneously the invalidation point for the grabber, and if market will hold above this area, it will keep the grabber, and it will keep chances on the possible upward action. Also, guys, you could get here the minor butterfly. So this could be the left wing. If market will hold above these lows, you could get the right wing here, right to the upside. That could become another butterfly cell. But if market will continue to move lower, right to the target of this ABCD pattern, it will not erase totally the bullish setup on the daily chart, on the 4-hour time frame chart, because 1284 is just the support area of this trend line, but our invalidation point stands right here, okay? But it will erase just the grabber pattern. So that's why this situation is a bit tricky and difficult to say what will happen, because currently you can see market has formed some sort of the short-term reversal swing. Now it stands with the retracement after the reversal swing has happened, okay? And this retracement could be deep. So that is really interesting, but what to do and how to not get in the trap with this possible downward continuation and the possible taking out of these lows if market will really continue to move down to this target. The answer is relatively simple, so watch for the trend direction. If we will draw the MACD indicator, just a minute. Okay, so we see that trend is bearish right now. Before taking any long position, wait when the market will shift trend to the bullish on the hourly time frame chart. If, for example, it will show some retracement to some support area from that swing and turn to the upside and trend will shift bullish, well, that would probably could suggest a possible reversal to the upside. If this will not happen, the market will continue to move lower. Then probably do not rely on this grabber and wait when the market finds the support or will break through it. So market also could show the response right here. That just confirms the idea that we have announced in our weekly research that we have prepared on the weekend, and we discussed it previously, that on the gold market it's just safer to act and take any position after market is confirming the direction with the action. So if you would like to take the long position, that's really significant distance to the 1325 possible target. So probably we do not need to hurry and trying to jump in first possibility. Wait when the market turns to the upside. Wait when the market will show some significant impulse to the upside. And after that you could just easily enter on some minor retracement and take the position. That will be just safer than trying to take and catch the bottom in this environment, because where market will stop here at some retracement inside of this, or maybe market will continue to move lower right to this 1284, or maybe market really will continue to the downside and will be no bounce up. So that's a lot of questions, and that just really risky trying to take the long position right now. Although we have some patterns in our back that theoretically suggest possible rebounds, bounce up, and we have this ABCD, we have this possible Gartner's triple till buy, maybe even we will get the butterfly or something of that sort, but none of them yet has triggered any solid upward action, and that's why it's just will be safer to take the position on the long side of the market if this action will start. And probably we will be able to do this because, as I said, the distance to the 1325 is really significant. Meantime, if you would like to take some more risk, you could try to trade particular patterns. For example, you could rely on the stop grabber. That's just simpler. It's a bit more risk with it, but it's simpler. So you know that invalidation point stands below these lows. You know that grabber has been formed. Market stands now in retracement. Trying to take the position on some support area, fib support from that swing on some ABCD agreement down, it's also possible. But that's a bit different strategies of the trading. If you trade the more strategically and you take the bigger picture, then your choice will be to take the position when the upward action will start. If you trade mostly the patterns, particular patterns, so that in this case you probably would stick with the stop grabber or with the butterfly or with any other pattern that you will get here on the gold market. So that's really personal. Anyway, is possible. And has its own advantages and disadvantages. But my thought is better, if you would like still to take the long position, it's better to wait when this impulse action to the upside will start and take the position on the retracement. But anyway, I suppose that today action on the gold market will be interesting, especially during the FOMC minutes. So let's see what will happen and whether the market will keep the chance on the possible upward action.